Credit scores can be super confusing, especially for first-time home buyers who may need a little bit of help getting into the home that they're dreaming about. Hi, I'm Stephanie Souza, and I'm here to help clear up some of the things about credit scores. So chances are, when it comes to credit, you all have heard about the FICO, Experian, Vantage Score, and more. But what do they all mean, and what are the differences, right? Well, credit scores are ways to evaluate your financial reputation. And you may have hundreds and hundreds of them, and yes, there's differences in how they're all calculated. First of all, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax are the three main credit bureaus, and they've came together about a decade ago to create their own version of a credit score model called Vantage Score. Each have different information about you, therefore, even though they all use the same model to gauge your score, all three could still get a different result. So then there's the FICO score, which is the oldest and the most widely used scoring model. Allegedly, about 90% of the top lenders use this to judge your worthiness. This is the one you hear about the most in commercials, and that is usually offered to you monthly by your credit card provider. So in essence, FICO is like Google or Amazon, but Vantage still has market share and is gaining popularity. So how do you know which one is best for you? You could find out what kind of methodology your lender uses, but the best bet is to keep your credit history clear and strong, so that you'll come out with a high score no matter what model is used to get your loan. So for more information on gaining trust with lenders and ensuring that you put your best credit foot forward, be sure to go to my website for more information. And as always, we're here to help with any of your home selling or buying needs or questions. My team is there to help turn your dreams into reality.